Today, we're diving into the world of advanced engineering with the LEGO Technic Porsche 911 RSR race car model building kit. A stunning replica that captures the essence of Porsche's innovative design. This exclusive collectible set is perfect for kids, boys, and girls aged 10 and up, offering an immersive and rewarding building experience. Featuring aerodynamic bodywork, black spoked rims, and a working differential and steering system, this model brings the thrill of the racetrack to your fingertips. The independent suspension and 6-cylinder boxer engine add to the realism, while the detailed interior includes a radar screen, fire extinguisher system, and a track map of the iconic Laguna Seca. The striking white, red, and black color scheme, complete with sticker detailing, adds the final touches to this masterpiece. Whether you're a LEGO enthusiast or a Porsche fan, this set is sure to provide hours of engaging fun and a sense of accomplishment. So, get ready to build, explore, and display this incredible LEGO Technic Porsche 911 RSR in your collection. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.